Hi, Madison with American Roofing Company here at Lonnie and Williams property off of Poplar Drive. Front and left slope did not get did not get replaced based on repairability. As you can see, since we've done our repair, we've had a shingle rip off here. Just review those pictures before you'll see that wasn't there. Some creasing there, haven't sealed back. That one's sealed, hasn't sealed back. So let's take a look at our left slope. Should be this slope right here. All right, we've got some creasing on these shingles above this. Hard to see just with this kind of granular loss here. The repair shingles have not sealed. Shingles above it, that one's not sealed. That one's sealed. That one's not. That one is. So as you can see, same thing's just gonna happen here. I'm going to take a look at this stuff as well. Alright. You can see there's just a little bit of creasing on these. They have not sealed at all. That one's about halfway sealed, very loose though. The repair shingles have not sealed. So, I mean, got some creasing along the top of these repairs. It's just old, brittle. You guys need anything else from me?